Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert any images into a digital oil painting using Photoshop. So let's see what I mean. If I zoom in on the photo, as you can see, it's look like a brush painted image. If I turn off this group, as you can see, it's a regular image. And if I turn on the group, this is a oil painting image. So I'll show you how you can apply this effect. So I'll turn off this group. First, duplicate the layer twice and turn off the top duplicate layer and select the middle layer. Then go to filter gallery. Inside the artistic group, select poster edge and adjust the slider according to your need. So I'll make the edge intensity 2, maybe 1, and leave everything as it is and click on OK. After that, go to image, adjustment, threshold, and bring down the threshold until you see all the details. That looks good. Then click on OK. After that, go back to the filter, stylize, oil paint. Adjust the slider according to your image. Make sure lighting is turned off, then click on OK. Then turn on the top duplicate layer. Select the layer and change the blending mode to multiply. Then go back to the filter gallery and select the poster edge and the edge intensity to 0 and click on OK. And go back to the filter, stylize and oil paint. Leave the value as previous and click on OK. That's how easy it is to create digital oil painting in Photoshop. If this video is helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, ask me on the comment section. I'll see you soon on the next video.